Make anyone call or text you instantly with this meditation and make their love for you last forever and grow so strong that no one could ever break it. Please be cautious with this. Do not underestimate the potency of this meditation. You will definitely see results extremely fast. Now let's begin. I expect them to instantly text me now. I expect them to instantly send me a text message now. I expect them to seriously miss me and text me instantly. I expect them to instantly contact me now. I expect them to instantly call me now. I expect them to instantly FaceTime me now. I expect them to instantly message me. I expect them to feel more and more connected to me every time I listen to this meditation. I expect them to feel an immense pleasure every time they are talking to me. I expect them to feel an immense pleasure every time they are texting me. I expect them to absolutely desire to send me infinite texts. I expect them to text me and say, I am their one true love. I expect them to text me and say that they can't wait to be with me. I expect them to check up on me because they love me unconditionally. I expect them to call me and tell me how much I mean to them. I expect to be on their mind every moment. I expect to receive a call from them today. I expect to receive a text from them today. I expect them to love me every instant of the day. I expect them to text me because they don't want to lose me. I expect them to call me because I am very important to them. I expect them to be so glad that they have met me. I expect them to be so glad that they are talking to me. I expect them to contact me every single day. I expect to be crossing their mind every instant. I expect them to persistently try to reach out to me now. I expect them to confess their love for me. I expect them to be extremely happy to connect with me now. I expect them to have a sudden urge to text me right now. I expect them to obsessively want to be in contact with me now. I expect them to take every occasion and opportunity to contact me. I expect them to contact me because they are in love with me. I expect my meditation results to be permanent and visible in my 3D instantly. I expect them to be grabbing their phone right now to text me or call me. I expect to receive countless messages and calls from them right now. It is already done. Type, I expect to receive countless messages and calls from them right now to claim this meditation. And if someone brutally cut you off and you want them back badly, let me help you just like I helped Mahi. I can help you to bring them back and make them love you like never before. Just head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below and I can start manifesting for you today.